What is up, scrappers, tool addicts, tool collectors? Welcome to CC Scraps and Restoration. Today we're going to hit the scrap yard. Clean aluminum, tin, a little bit of aluminum down here in that shelf. Got us some number 3 wire underneath. Just some random like tin, and that's about it. Some of them lights from a few weeks ago. Just some random stuff I picked up over the week. Yeah. Here, kitties.
Yeah. I'm great.
Alright, y'all, we're on scale. We're just waiting on that green light right over here. I won't get her unloaded. I dropped y'all. Sorry, y'all. You still recording? Sure are. Snow out of there. All right, y'all, we're going up on scale now with the non-ferrous. All right, y'all, so we're back from that scrapyard. I accidentally scrunched the receipt up, but 31 pounds of insulated number 3 copper wire, 35 cents a pound, $10.85. Sheet aluminum, 26 pounds, 45 cents a pound for $11.70. Cast aluminum, they must have mixed that aluminum bin and took some things out. Looks like we got a visitor, you guys. Cast aluminum, 23 pounds, 34 cents a pound, $7.82. We had batteries, 56 pounds. Mrs. CC Scraps is in the shop. 56 pounds of batteries, 12 cents a pound, $6.72. Non-ferrous or ferrous tin, which is the tin shred, 420 pounds, $4.20. $120 a gross ton for $22.50, and that gives us a grand total of $59.59. All right, so Mrs. CC Scraps wants us to follow her. I can't wait for this bulk pickup to get this crap out of here. City doesn't like to do bulk pickups in the middle of wintertime for whatever reason. So I don't really want to keep it around till summer, but I may have to, or springtime.
You don't even want it to garbage.
I like to saw it with my chainsaw and burn it. So, explain it.
So I just did a window display.
So this is like an anti-Valentine's Day. Hi, dog. Say hi to the pit bull, everybody. What's that say? Buzz off? Just say no? Team no, I'm too short. Go fry an egg. Bite me. Cupid. So it's a hate Valentine's Day. That's okay.
It is, but there is a Valentine pointing at both sides of the window for the dog.
The Valentine, yeah. So she's the Valentine. See the arrow? She likes to sit in the window. Hey, babies. Hi, pretty. Hello, pretty. Hello.
You're going to get her going.
I know. Let me back up. She loves her daddy.
That be wine. Someone needs to bring some wine.
Yeah, for real.
Yeah.
All right. That was funny. And it was weird. She just threw that together like that wasn't there today. Like when I woke up this morning. Oh, what a good time that was. It's not really going to be anti-Valentine's Day. I'm going to get her something nice. We'll go to dinner, you know. She just likes to be funny. Obviously. So that was the scrapyard. So we went to Harbor Freight. And I got the Inside Track Club. You spend $25 or more. You get 3 free gifts inside track. So I got these stepper bits, which is kind of cool because this is the other stepper bits I have. These you can actually like really chuck into your drill press and maybe give them a little womp on. They have that, you know, our oil that we love so much. Yeah. It works though. All right, so and then I got this whole set of Warrior. This was not in the Inside Track Club, and we'll talk about why it's weird. So I got these 24 grit 2 grinding wheels, 120 grit flap disc. Now, this was $3.99, and it came with a 120 flap disc, and they're both Warrior. So why isn't? Maybe it was the set that was on sale. That's probably why. All right, so it came with the 120 grit because mine's womped on, a 60 grit. 36 grit that I didn't have, and then some 40 grit cutoff wheels. I don't care if they're 40 grit, 60 grit. If I got to cut off a piece of metal, I need a dang cutoff wheel. That's all I need. I don't care really. So that was kind of a deal. Excuse me. And then we got Mrs. CC Scraps, a wood burning kit and a little engraver. We'll see how that fares. So that was over the $24. So we got that and the stepper bits. We got the batteries. She needed double A's or whatever. For what she needs, they're fine. I mean, they work good, you know, until they don't. They don't last as long. They don't last that long. They really don't. But for a Christmas house, whatever, blah, blah, blah. And then she got the SAE. It was a open-end box wrench set without the ratchet on it. And I told her, I go, you got to go back for the metric. She says, well, I hate metric. I go, well, I mean, I'm sure a lot of people hate metric, but unfortunately, there's metric. Everything's metric now, unless you're working on something old. Which is weird, is like sometimes when I work on machines at work, some of the screws are SAE and some of them are metric. So obviously it didn't come that way because they'd be one or the other, I would assume. But you don't want to. But you don't want to strip the screws out. You know what I mean? You want to, you want to do a good job, and you don't want to call a customer and say, hey, we got to order this nut or bolt because it got stripped out, and then they got to wait another 3 weeks. When they don't have their machine, they're not, they're not making money, and you want that customer to be happy. So, everybody in our shop, that all us techs, we work on those machines like they were our very own. It's a pretty high quality of standard, I must say, personally and professionally. But yeah, there's my rant. Rock and roll. That's not even really a rant. It was just the way it is. So get this video up, and sorry about that. A little technical difficulty going on there. I don't know, my phone screen now is cracked, so I either got to get a new phone or get the screen fixed, which I would rather just get the screen fixed because there's really nothing wrong with this phone. It works perfectly, except it got, I sat on it at work or I kind of tossed it on my desk and there was something on there that shouldn't have been on there. I probably should have had a screensaver on there, one of them stickies. Lesson learned. So now you got to pay for this new screen or a new phone. What do they say? Pay once, cry once? That they do. All right, we'll get this video up and we'll see you on the next one. It's a little balmy 30 degrees. Outside, it's probably 35, 36 in the workshop. It's comfortable. And we're expecting like 6 to 12 inches of snow tonight upstate. Anybody in New York that's watched my videos, I know, John, you live in New York, you're downstate. You guys expecting a lot of snow? George, you want to watch? You're in Jersey, dude. You're probably going to get the same. You're going to get the same amount we are probably if you're in that part. I know it was like Oneida, Onondaga, Sullivan, maybe. It might just be mostly upstate from what the weather is, but you never know. It could always change. Anyway, all y'all be safe. We'll see you on the next CC Scraps and Restorations.